Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're tackling a common problem that many of us face when using technology. This can be really frustrating and can prevent us from getting things done efficiently. But fear not, because I've got a solution for you that will help you overcome this in no time. Now, let's talk about the solution to the key to resolving this issue lies in by simply you'll be able to effectively address the root cause of the problem and ensure that it doesn't bother you again. This solution is straightforward and easy to implement, making it a game changer for dealing with. In addition to the solution mentioned earlier, another helpful tip is this extra step can further enhance the effectiveness of the solution and minimize the chances of the recurring. By combining these strategies, you'll be well equipped to tackle the head-on and prevent it from causing any more headaches in the future. In summary, dealing with it doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following the simple yet effective solution along with the additional tip you'll be able to overcome this with ease. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your favorite tech troubleshooting story. Who knows? It might just make it into my next video.